Hello and welcome to LEKAPatterns. Today I will show you how to make a beanie. Patterns you will find below in the description. Print and check the test square. If it is okay, then join the sheets together. To choose good size for the first time it will be a bit harder, because size depends on your fabric. So first you have to try one size and check that it will be good for you. These sizes in the test square are the length around the beanie. So choose your size and cut it. Prepare your fabric. I use second line. Check did you have really enough fabric. If you use other kind of fabric, I recommend to do it from the that side. Pin both layers. And sew along this line. Join these lines from the side to the center. And now sew this line, but the other side is just half. You need to leave a gap. Sewing this line, do not leave corners. Turn it out. And sew up the gap. That's it.